Hi, we are going to continue on our bootstrap. Okay, so let's go to the Visual Studio and open it. After opening our Visual Studio, last we have left in this code. Okay, so last class we done this. Now I am going to delete this all. Okay, starting from here to here, I'm just deleting the buttons I just created. Okay, so I will save it. After save it, I'm going to check my Chrome what is the working on this. Okay, so I'm going to the HTML. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it. After refreshing it, I am getting an empty page. So we had deleted everything. So we are going to create a button as manually. Okay, so I'm going to create a button. So creating a button, we need to type button. Okay, after typing button, it all already show our some extension, so you can click it on it, also automatically fill. Okay, open button and close button. Okay, we are going to press enter in between them. Okay, after we are pressing the enter, we can add something like something. I am a button. Okay, I am button. Okay, so we have just named a button. Okay, so we can place like this and anything likes. Okay, so I am going to show the another thing. Okay, we are going to create another button, and we can also leave it like this. Okay, I am button. Okay, this doesn't matter, you give enter and or not, this doesn't matter. Okay, so it is just for the looks. Okay, I'm going to save both and I am going to show the both the output of this. Okay, I'm going to refresh it, so we get the similar same buttons. Okay, so it is okay, we created a button, so we have to add an style or color or design. Okay, so we are not going to do it manually, so we are going to using the help of Bootstrap. So okay, Bootstrap. Okay, just let's go to the Bootstrap and find the button. Okay, so after going to the button section, just we need to copy this class. Okay, the class. So why I am copying this first one? So this first one is the color for this button. Okay, so we just need to copy this to get this color and this effect. Okay, when I hover, you can see the change on the button. Okay, I'm going to hover in this, they're changing their color lightly. Okay, so I'm going to what to do, I just copied this one. Okay, I'm just going to paste in mine. Okay, so you can see, actually I'm going to zoom it for you for more. Okay, so I think this one will be okay. Okay, I'm going to paste to my I copied code right here after the button. Okay, so in the button opening tab, after the button I'm going to paste it. Okay, so I have pasted class and I give it a name. Okay, this class name is coming from the Bootstrap. Okay, so this helps us to link. Okay, link the class name to our HTML file. So we are accessing the class name using this okay link. Okay, this link that helps us to apply the Bootstrap in our button. Okay, I'm going to save it. After I'm saving, you can see how it works. I'm going to refresh it. Our one button will change the color and its property and size and the font color to white. Okay, you can see that, but our other button does not change anything. Okay, because we didn't apply any property, so we are going to apply another property. So I am going to choose something other. Okay, I'm choosing this one, the dark. Okay, so we can see the font here is dark. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this class. I just copied it. After I copied it, I'm going to my Visual Studio Code and I'm going to paste on the second button, and just I'm going to paste here and save it. Okay, I'm just to save it and I am going to view it in the Chrome, going to my, and I am going to refresh it. So I get the property of the black. Okay, I mean the what is the property's name, button dot dark. Okay, so this is the name of the property. Okay, so we are getting this property. We can tell this all as a component. We can use it that if I want to get a button, so I will search a button and I will copy the code and I will paste it in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, the similar way, if I want a form, I will go here and copy the form components and I will paste in my Visual Studio Code and I will use them. Okay, this is just an implementing your pre-made CSS. Okay, so we are going to see that. Okay, there we are creating two buttons. Okay, I'm not going to delete this all. Okay, so we will next we will do something like layout. Okay,